Hello, good morning everybody. I hope you can see my screen. We're on the second day of the week. This is 17th of September, and I want to start by saying that if you are trading gold, if you are somebody who likes trading metals, then you can now trade swap free. This is an offer from FreshForex. It runs from 11th of September. It's already we've already used the better part of it. The deadline is still not specified, so as long as we have that offer still running, you can still trade swap free. If you're doing metals, you can trade swap free up to around the end of October, something like that. So get the chance, please make use of this offer. To get information about this, I want to pull up the screen where you can get the full information. We have this. You can now trade swap free. This one. Just a second. Here we go. So this is the link. You can follow this link straightly and then trade swap free. So that is the link. If you want to know more information about this, you can simply click the link and then you go direct to the link, or you can go to the FreshForex website and then you check under the news section. We have a lot of information about the same thing. So we'll start off with our pair on the screen, which is USDJPY. This is what we have on the daily. This is how daily looks. Yesterday we expected a sell, but then the price continued massively to the upper side and even closed above the previous Friday's highest close. So what this means is that possibly we are still continuing to the upper side. This means that if you are looking at this chart at the moment, you better be looking for buy positions, and we expect that buy to take price up to this level here, a very good support and a resistance level. So as long as you have the price being held below this level here, this should be a very good place to sell from. So the main thing here is to just wait for price to come back up to this level, then we'll be able to pick a sell with our stop loss around this level, and then with our take profit there, and then another one is here. So this is just a very good zone where if price pulls back up to this level, we'll be able to sell it there up to around 107.16, something like this. Expect a move up and then a decline from that point up to the support, something like this. As it is yesterday, following the gap which you saw, we expected a sell, but that sell was invalidated when price closed above last week's highest close. On the 4 hours, we have an active uptrend. Just a second. 4 hours, this is what we have. There's a very good active uptrend. The price is continuing to the upper side, which means in case price goes above this level here, we'll expect it to continue to the upper side. So what basically we want price to go beyond this 4 hours level, retrace back, then we'll continue buying it even higher. That is simply what it is. A break above, a retracement, then we continue buying it to the upper side. So as it is now, we are waiting for that buy, but only if price goes above the level which I've mentioned. Euro USD. This is supposed to be a sell, as we said yesterday. As you can see, the indicator is showing us a sell. The 3 lines, this, and this one, all of them are giving us a sell position. And following this pin bar, we expected a sell, which happened perfectly yesterday. And we are waiting to take profit around this level here. So if you are looking at this chart and you want to trade it correctly, please be sure to look for buy positions. Sell orders. Be sure to look for sell positions. Keep looking for sell orders. Just you need to wait for some retracements, then you pick sell positions at the lowest risks possible. So Forex, same thing. Actually, Forex, this may happen. The price may pull back up to this level here. If you are looking at Forex, then expect price to pull back up to somewhere around this level here, 1.1063. Price may likely come back to this level before it continues to the lower side. Have this here a support, this a move up, a support. Then if price pulls back, we'll sell it up to the next level, which is this one. The 1 hour, there's not been any retracement up to this level. So if price can come back, this is still a very good sell. We move forward. GBP USD bullish. Let's look at this. We have an active uptrend, but these are the levels to look for. Look for this level. Also look for this one, and then we have this level here. So if you're looking at this chart at the moment, we are waiting for a buy, but only when price does what we are saying. So we'll move straight to the next chart, SP500. The overall trend here is also bullish, but then we can see that price is attempting to go to the lower side. So these are the levels we're waiting for. We are waiting for price here. These are resistance, a resistance, a resistance. There's a break. Price has not been able to come back. So this one, I may draw it like this, so that we cover both the area as a support, as a resistance and as a support. A support. We also have this at the top, which is this one. So the best now is to wait for price to pull back down. Let price come back up to somewhere in between this zone here. Then we'll pick a buy from that point to the upper side. That's the only thing we're waiting for price to come back down and bounce off from the support which I've mentioned. Then we'll be able to pick a buy from that point. So we move forward to our next chart, and that is Brent oil. Brent oil is still bullish, and it happened just perfectly as I mentioned yesterday. We said that following the gap which was here, we wanted price to try pulling back up to this level so that we can buy it. If you bought it where the price was, you're still correct. The price basically closed above. So this is a good sign that you're continuing to the upper side. Now that the price is above this resistance, it was a support previously, we basically gapped above the whole place. That means we are continuing up to somewhere around this level or this one. So the entire place, this is our take profit target here. If you bought it yesterday, as you're saying, you need to be expecting price to go up to this level here, up to this resistance. So wait for maybe a retracement, then you'll still have chances to buy it, and those buys should take us up to the level which you have mentioned, the resistance, the colored area above. So we'll move forward to the last symbol, Brent oil, gold. And before I move on to gold, I want to mention that if you are trading gold or silver or any metal, just know that now you can trade swap free with FreshForex. Like there's a promotion. The link you're having on the screen, which is this one, just a second. This link here is actually for the promotion, so you have the chance to trade without swap from 11th of September. You can trade without swap. Until now, the offer is still valid. It continues all the way until you hear another announcement that the offer is invalid now. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's market overview. We meet again tomorrow at the same time. So thank you. Bye. Sorry, this time I've not mentioned exactly what to expect to happen on this pair. I'm sorry, that's a mistake on my side. But I want to mention that this is still a buy. Despite the fact that price is continuing to the lower side, this is still a very good buy. So we are basically just waiting for this, for price to give us a buy signal within this zone. Yeah, we are waiting for price to give us a very good buy signal within this zone here. So let price come back, let it give us a buy signal, and we expect that buy to take us up to this level here. Yes, so pick a buy, have your stop loss, and then have a take profit here, the one which you've colored above. So thank you guys. See you again tomorrow at the same time. Bye.